The Millport Conservancy, 85 acres of refuge for native wildlife and plant species. This beautiful parcel of land in Lititz, Pennsylvania is overseen by the nonprofit Millport Conservancy in partnership with Franklin and Marshall College. The Conservancy was created when Robert and Carolyn Wilson purchased the Millport Roller Mills and its surrounding farmland. Millport offers memberships to take part in the exciting activities the Conservancy has to offer. Members of Millport can explore the extensive nature trails that wind past the original mill race and through its woods and meadows. Enjoy some catch and release fly fishing in the Lititz Run, a freshwater stream flowing through the heart of Millport. Whether it's fishing, hiking, or just getting away from the city, Millport offers a beautiful spot for all.